What up, you guys? It's Sam Helps 26 here, and we are back again with another My Lead Gen secret journey. And we will be promoting our affiliate offers, which is multiple income funnel, ClickBank, which is our free affiliate program, and then our other high ticket paid for funnel, which is our newest home business academy. And real quick for the newer people, like we usually do, a quick rundown. What My Lead Gen secret is a mailing platform that's gonna automatically give you 1 to 200 leads every 24 hours, depending on if you have one referral signed in underneath you for 200 leads right here. So it'll give you 200 leads per day, which will add up to 6,000 leads per month. And if you do not get one referral underneath your account, it'll be 100 leads every single 24 hours for 3,000 per month. And when you do get these 200 leads, you also get a $5 residual income for that account that is signed up underneath you, along with the $200 leads, sorry. So you'll get that $5 commission and you'll get your 200 leads as long as that account is signed underneath you. Alright, so that's it for the newbies. And now we'll get into some results and we'll do our mailing for today. And we'll see if we got any new sales. Okay, so the top one right here, this is what we sent out yesterday to 19,900 leads. We got a lot of new opens. Whoa, 111 clicks. Didn't think this one would do too good, to be honest. It didn't do the best, but it did pretty decent. So when you have around this many leads, when you get around that 15,000 to 20,000 mark, you should consistently be hitting 100 plus per day. But you see this one didn't get good open rates, but we still got 100 plus clicks. So that tells us that it is good content on the inside of the email, judging off the fact that it got 10% of the click-through rate. So it means the majority of the people that did open it were clicking through it. But that's pretty decent for how many times it got opened. You see only 6% open, but we still got over 100 clicks. Not the best, but pretty decent. Pretty decent. And oh yeah, I want to give you guys a quick look at what I've been doing with my capture pages to get some leads, because I've been getting new leads like every single day now for both of my capture pages. So like you guys know here, this is just the email we sent out yesterday, where it's highlighted yellow, that's going to be our Home Business Academy capture page. And this is what I've been doing for the ClickBank, which is the paid social media jobs. So we're using this as a tagline so we can put multiple offers in one email. Pretty cool. And every single time we send out these with taglines, I've been getting email opt-ins every single day to my get response. So that's pretty cool that with the card funnel page builder, the website is in the description, I've been able to make some pretty decent capture pages to start building our list. So when you click the yellow here, you see this is our first capture page. And yesterday when I was showing you guys that we weren't getting opt-ins because people were refusing to put in their name and email, so we got a lot less. You see this red button right here, I'm giving people now the option to just go straight to our video capture page for our Home Business Academy. So that way if they don't feel like they want to put in their name and email for whatever reason so they can get more of our offers, then they can go straight to it from here. So I'm hoping to get a lot better a lot better click rate on our offer now that people can just go straight to it. So just a small tweak that we made from yesterday to see if our clicks will go up for today. And on our capture page for the paid social media, I believe I got about 4 opt-ins today for this one. So this picture right here I did make on Canva. So if you guys do end up using the Cardco website to start building your capture pages or funnel pages, whatever it is, definitely use Canva as another tool to start plugging in pictures and making your pages look good. And there is a video on Card coming out this weekend as well, where I'm going to be getting more in depth on how I'm building these pages for you guys. And I'm actually going to do a walkthrough and show you guys like live how I'm making the pages. And I'm going to make one right in front of you guys so you guys can see exactly how I'm doing it. And then we'll start using it in our next My Legion Secret journey. Okay, let's go see how many clicks we got for our other accounts. You see here, this we mailed out to 14,900, and we got 1,012 clicks. 88, or it was 1,012 open, sorry, and then 88 clicks, that is. So for that many, I would say pretty decent for 14,000 leads. Not too bad, but not too good either. You can see the same thing. So the subject line just wasn't hitting well with our list for whatever reason. So whatever we could do to make the subject line start sounding better, that's what we'll work on. So I've been noticing I do get a lot better open rates when I make my own subject lines. So maybe I'll just stick to being the person that takes care of getting people to open the email and just leave the selling and telling to the email itself and the product. So that's it for that. Same email, 88 clicks. Pretty decent. We're still getting over 200 clicks every single day, so that's the main thing. If you're getting over 200 clicks every day on an offer, that's when you're going to start seeing your sales pop a lot more often and more efficiently. You see here we have 3,700 leads for the same email, and we got 485 opens, 65 clicks. That's pretty good for this account, actually. Yeah, that's actually really good. Yeah, so yep, same 13% click-through rate, 13% open rate. So that means pretty much everybody that opened it and looked at the email did click on it. And yep, that's it. Yeah, that's one of my higher ones for this week, actually. As you can see here. So that one did pretty well for this account. Alright, well, let's go look at some results that we got for our ClickBank offer in the tagline. Let me log on to my account here. ClickBank is free for the people that don't know, so make sure you do have your account ready. This is my dashboard, and you see here for Friday we have no sales. Our last sale was Monday. So over the weekend I do promote it by itself, so you may see some sales pop for next week that came from the weekend emails. But that's pretty much $13 for this week from Monday. And then we'll go here to our Home Business Academy. And this whole funnel builder is based around taking your $20 and turning it into a $100,000 per year. And they want to do that by you getting one sale per week. And that's what's going to equal the $100,000 per year. So we see here, refresh our page, make sure everything's right. No new commissions yet. Do we have any new clicks? We got pretty much the same amount of clicks. It looks like only 26 clicks today. Yeah, so it didn't do too good for today, only 26 clicks. So maybe a lot of people just skipped past the whole opt-in page and didn't go to it. I'm not sure how that works. But yeah, no new sales yet for this. And we'll keep on plugging it as our main offer though for another month. Alright, so we'll go to our multiple income funnel. See if we have any new leads or sales. We'll go to our social media links. And this is where we track them. And we did get 2 new leads, it looks like, but no new sales. Alright. So I'll add those new leads into my autoresponder, and then I could keep on selling to them and keep on emailing them until those leads do turn into sales, as long as you follow up. So we're not going to let that discourage us. And then we're going to go send out our email for tonight. I'll show you guys what that looks like. So you're going to go to your mailing system, select all your leads. This is going to be for my third account, so it's going to be 3,900 for my smallest. And this is from the Mike Hobbs email swipes. Show you here for the new people that don't know. This is what you do get for the Home Business Academy. And you see here it's almost at a $500 value. And you're getting 50 of these for free. And when you join underneath me on the Home Business Academy, you get another 50 email swipes that are paid for by me for free. So you're getting 100 email swipes all together that all have converted sales one way or another. So you really can't miss when you join under this program, whether it be underneath me or someone else. You're gonna get thousands and thousands of dollars of free value because it's written by real copywriters that make millions of dollars and write for 8-figure earners. So this is a really win-win situation, especially joining in underneath me. And if you do, remember that the number is right there on the screen, and don't be shy to text me and ask for help or any type of assistance I could give you, because I do make sure people on my team are getting sales, because that's the only way that we can both see success. And if you're able to win, then I'm able to win. But furthermore, we'll send out for today subject line there. Then after you have your subject line, this is where you're going to come down and delete all the pre-written text and put your copy and pasted for whatever affiliate program you're using. And since I'm using all three, this is the one that I have written for today for the Mike Hobbs email swipes. This is just one out of the 50. I'll show you what that looks like in a preview. And I use the div format as well, so it looks a little bit different. It makes it easier to read as well. So yeah, right here in the yellow, that's where our Home Business Academy is going to be. And you see here it shows my link inside of it when I hold it down. Here is going to be where your multiple income funnel is. And I have been getting leads every day, so that's nice to see that the tagline is working. People are clicking on it. And then here, same thing. ClickBank offers, people are clicking on it every single day. So we'll keep on promoting it and keep staying consistent with it, and the sales are going to come. Just keep on sending every single day, and I promise you within 3 to 4 months, max, probably not even that, I've seen my first sale within 2 weeks of just promoting the system by itself. So expect sales soon once you start to really pay attention and apply what I'm teaching you here. You're going to see sales a lot sooner than anybody that's going to be starting out brand new, not knowing what's going on at all. Let me fix that. Just saw a spelling error here. Make sure you're going through making sure everything looks presentable, because one little spelling error could be the difference between you and that sale. But that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you got some value out of it. If you did, leave a thumbs up and comment, let me know what you guys want to see in future videos. Alright then, you guys, be easy.